YouTube. So today I will show you how to use the launch ES200 isolation tester. As you know, isolation is very important in the high voltage component inside the vehicle, so inside the EV, so that even just a wire, we need to check the isolation, either it's good, either or fail. So not just the cable, include the aircon compressor or the EV battery. You also need to check part by part of the isolation. To test the wire, is the insulation is good or fail. Okay, so first we need to turn on the machine, the tester. Okay, first you need to use the crocodile clip on the red side, that means it's positive. Okay, so that you already clip it on, and then you set the voltage. You can set it 500 or 1000 or more higher. The maximum is 5000, but we don't use it too much. We use only 500 or 1000. Okay, so now we want to test it on. We not sure which part of it is isolate fail, so we use the test here. First you use the test here, make sure it's running red, then you move it part by part and check the detail, either here, and here. So when we found it, there's the isolation fail. You will see the indicator here. Okay, this is the fail area. Okay, okay, we found a fail area, so we stop it first. Okay, now we know there is an area it's failed, but we want to test it with more accuracy, so we use the comparison. How much mega ohm we want to set up? Maybe you can set up the 40, 50. Normally, if it depends on the workshop manual, normally you will use the 10. So now we put it on here, the area that we suspect the isolation fail. So use the 500 with the 10 mega ohm, then we start to test it. Okay, there is very high rate, that means there is a fail. If not, you will get a giga ohm. So okay, as a result, is fail. Okay, so the isolation test is fail on this area, so that's why this wire cannot be used, is related with the isolate fail. Okay, so thank you for watching. So maybe see you on the next video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, so we will put on more and more EV solution product in the YouTube channel. So thank you for watching. Bye.